His anchor just fell off the front of his boat. Oh my gosh. I know it did some damage. Got it. That's a good one.
Ah, Brian!
Got him. Good morning. We're out on the river today. Sun's coming up. Karen with us today. She's gonna show me how to use the live scope. Got him. Oh, he almost got out. Look at there. Them fish are healthier up here in this part of the river.
I didn't think about that.
Look at there. Beautiful fish. He about jumped out. Can't see, son. Can't see. Got him. Oh, babe. Oh my gosh. That was something big. That was a bass. Might have been a mudfish. I don't know. That joker was big. Well, guys, we lost the missus. She's gonna go off on a paddleboard adventure. Uh-oh, she's in the tree. Oh, there's a snake that just fell on her. Snake just fell on her. I'm just joking. Look right in front of you. There's a rope. All right. Let's see if we can get back on them. Got it. That's a good one, Danny. It's a little redfish. Watch out, Lorelei. Little redfish. Pretty little red. He wasn't in the slot though. Oh, we would have kept him if he was in the slot for sure. If he had just been 18 inches, buddy, he'd been in the boat. If he would have been bigger, I wouldn't even tried to boat flip him. I would have dang sure got the net out or got down there and tried to grab him because we would have been eating him. I didn't care if that one came off. Oh, dang. Man, troll him over down, son. Dang. Lord, I didn't even get it on video, neither did I. Oh, I did. Trolling motor down. Oh. I got something right here, though. Looks like. Yep. See my line jump? Something's messing with it. It might be a brim, though. Little bass. Little bass. Felt him thump it. He wouldn't have been cleaning size. He didn't want it enough though. Oh, I got him, Danny. Got him. That's one of the day there, boy. Not saying much though. What if we had like 4 of him? It'd be good little fish fry for you. Yep. Probably about 1 pound. It's probably about all he is. Maybe a little more. Whoop. Glad he bit though. Thought he felt bigger than that. Hold her so she could go lay back there and get shade, or
you could mount it up on that bracket right there you got.
Yeah.
It just tightens up on it.
I got a fish, Danny. Man, I wasn't even paying attention. I thought I was hung up. Come on, bad boy. This is the bank. This is the stretch. Just got to find them fish. That'd be another one you could have cleaned up. I wasn't even recording. His anchor just fell off the front of his boat. Oh my gosh. His anchor fell off his anchor went down with the chain off the front of the boat and hit the water and smacked the front of the boat and came back, smacked again. That's what that was, smacking his boat. Like it let loose and dropped. You know, I know it did some damage. You're good. Appreciate it. God, look at that. Teaching the youngins right. I mean, this is a main river. Nobody should slow down for me fishing here. That was a wave runner. Can't give all wave runner riders a bad name. I landed on that fish. That fish hit it like I landed on him. I must have hooked that fish because I just went to turn the first handle to get off that limb, and there was a fish. All right, Lorelei. Guys, that's it. We're gonna go get the wife, go hang out on the sandbar. It's getting hot. We're gonna go enjoy the cold water out here on the river. Y'all have a blessed one. Oh man, got your fishing poles? Yeah. Oh, that's good, because them brim were asking, where's Levi? They said, where's Levi at?
He's so pretty. You're so pretty.
Hey, Bubba. This should be fun. Oh, you brought the worms, good. I was wondering if you brought them worms.
Right.
You know?
Right.
I'm gonna have to go do some.
Ah, Brian!
Why you go way up there?